And today we have this mechanical master set. This is a 3-in-1 builder set, and this thing is fully motorized, as you probably have seen already. Now, this is more of the race tank that we built here. You can see we got the flag on top. It comes with all the decals. It has treads. It's rechargeable. The only thing that you need to supply are AAA batteries for the little remote control for it. But let's say that you don't want to build the race truck. You can also build this square tank here, and you can build the robot above it as well. Very, very cool. Like I said, we went ahead and we went with the tank itself. Now, it's a super fun little build. It's like a Technic set. It's got suspension and springs on it, and it is quite capable. And we're going to go ahead, we're going to put it on the ground. We're going to drive it a little bit more. If you haven't noticed, we've had the full build running right up here in the corner. That way you could see the entire build process. And yeah, just a cool little set. What do you think? Carter built this. What do you think about the build, Carter?
It was challenging at some times, but overall pretty easy, and it's a sturdy build.
That's right. This is made for 8 and older, which Carter had a little trouble with the body part here, but I was able to help him out and get it all completed. And but it wasn't very difficult at all. And it just take your time, follow the instructions. The instructions are quite nice, and you're going to end up with a nice little race tank just like this. Very, very cool. All right, let's go ahead and play with it some. There you go. Ever. So a super fun little tank is quite capable for something that you just snap together. It holds together very well. The tank treads work amazingly. They don't fall off, they stay on. We've been jumping this little ramp and doing donuts and spins, and everything is going quite nicely until now. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.